First time I see it. The Cybertruck, the rolling trash can. The only right way is 3, then 2, then 1. Another day, another tire check. Oh yeah. What is this guy saying? 32, 30. They all lost pressure. Yeah, it has to be the climate. Okay, this is incredible. I never had to care that much about tire pressure. Walmart, guys. Walmart. Okay, my initial thought is always with these big buildings here in America that want to sell you something. Is this the entrance? Or this? I don't know. I try this one. Look what I got. I got the Lunchly with Mr. Beast Feastables Milk Crunch Chocolate, Cherry Freeze Prime, and whatever the hell this is. You can eat it just right away, right? With prime hydration, cherry freeze. Okay, yeah. Uncured pepperoni and cheese pizza. Eat the day. All right. I understand it correctly that you can eat this just as it is, right? Shouldn't shake it too much. Okay, that's a small one. That's it. Holy shit. Okay, that's a sad lunch. I knew that before, but I don't know. I don't know if I should eat that. My stomach is already ruined from American food. Okay, that's the chocolate bar. It's an actual small one. I want to do the test if... Look. No, it's not. I don't know if we have Lunchly in Germany, but I don't think so. I already tried Prime. Alter, Texas. What is the Texas doing here? I can't. I gotta do the video before. I first try the bread. Right, there is no mold on it. That's important. Children have a different taste, huh? I try this here. Pizza sauce. Okay, and now the final step. Ah, ich habe die Pepperoni übersehen. Okay, now the final step. We have the bread, the sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni. Bruder. The birds are crazy here in Texas. I don't see a reason why I would ever buy this again. It doesn't taste good. You have to be from America to like this. I don't know, when I want a pizza, I eat a pizza, right? Is this meant to be for school? I really don't see any positive about it. And I feel like I wasted my money. I mean, I knew that it is not the best, but somehow there's no flavor in here. So this is just the base for the sauce and the pepperoni, right? The pepperoni doesn't taste that good. It's all cold. I don't know if you should heat it. I'm not a big fan of cold and firm cheese like mozzarella, especially when it's not the skimmed mozzarella or part skim mozzarella, when it's so hard. At least there's no mold in it, right? So I can't recommend a Lunchly. But let's try the chocolate now. Okay, here it is. Mr. Beast Milk Crunch. I'm sweating so hard, guys. The Texas sun is different. Security car again. There's a security car turning here through or driving on the parking lot of the Walmart for like all the time. Why do you do that? Feastables bar. I heard a lot of bad things about American chocolate. Let's try it. It tastes like European chocolate. Like Vollmilchschokolade, as we Germans would say, like milk chocolate. That's actually good. It's not labeled. I don't know what's in there. It doesn't matter, it's chocolate. I know, I trust Mr. Beast on this one. This thing here is bullshit. The chocolate, very good. Now let's drink the Prime. Prime is good. And it also tastes like the European version. Like, I don't taste the difference. Gluten-free, caffeine-free, okay, why do you put it on a drink like that? Why do we have to mention gluten-freeness? Good source of antioxidant vitamin E, okay. Water, citric acid, deep potassium, phosphate, natural flavors. Yeah, Gummi arabicum, okay. It's a good drink. Would I buy it? No, because I got 20 bottles of this water for $5, and this thing alone here costs $5. Why should I buy this drink? I don't see a reason. I don't see a reason for a test like this to make it on YouTube big. I buy it, but oh my god, how much was it? Was it $5 or even more? Yeah, $5, like $4.76. Can I recommend the Lunchly box by Mr. Beast and Logan Paul? No, definitely not. The food part is so bad. The chocolate is very good. Prime is okay, but I just wouldn't buy it. Even though I like the flavor. I'm at this place called The Domain. There are only expensive stores here. It's a little bit outside of Austin, and I don't know, I think on the weekends there must be more people here. Feels like the European approach on American infrastructure. And then you have all these stores, only luxury stores. They're all empty. And then you have this battle when you look into them, and you have this security guy. You have two or three salespeople, and then they look at you. And they have this look of, you look too poor to buy here. And I'm like, I'm so sorry for you, your purposeless life. And I don't know. And then you just walk past the store. But it looks nice here. It looks nice. I was once in Sweden, Gothenburg. And I thought, wow, that's a small IKEA. And it was no real IKEA, it was just a store where you can concept, and it was just a store where you can concept things from IKEA furnitures. I was perplexed, but a lot of people were going into this store and thinking they can shop IKEA, and the staff was always like, hey, can I help you? Oh, okay. So disappointing for the staff. Okay, I learned now that it actually matters where you have your store located, because this was empty. This was actually so empty. I'm a little bit verblüffed, because even on a Monday, which is like the least visited day in the week, people would be at such a place in Germany. But I think it's the distance from wherever you are. I know Monday is work day, but still people go there. And oh my god, Texas sun, man. Texas sun. And there is no one. There's no one in the stores. The stores all shut down. They go on standby mode. People are just browsing. And okay, that's now what I learned. And I think like putting a bakery in such a location makes absolutely no sense, right? Even though there are so many empty spots. I just had a good coffee and a croissant that was not that good at a small bakery. Now I'm on a walk. Okay guys, I need honest feedback. How do you decide that you go to places like this that are like on some this is called Westwoods here. When do you decide you can eat there or not? I would never go to this place there, right? It's somewhere here. There's a Petco. There's a CVS pharmacy. But how do you decide that that's a thing you can go to or not? I got a double Whataburger, medium fries, medium zero. It's a fucking medium. They always serve this upside down, right? I like it when the bun is like that. That it's slightly fucked up.